Assalamu alaikum friends. This is Rashid and today I will brief you that how you can insert the page number into your Word document, and I will tell you about some formatting tricks about the page number, and the basic things about the page number. I think this is not a big thing, but it's an important thing. So just follow me. Simply you have to just go insert. From insert you will find the option of uh, page number, right? Here are the different styles, different ways by you can, and if you select this one, so that means the page number will be shown on the right side, or sorry, on the left side of the page. This will be in the middle, this will be in the, you can say, in the right side. So from here you can you can say, from here you can download the different formats about the which are concerned with the page number, and there are some other options as well. This is on the bottom. Here is the page margin. You can insert on the right, on the left side, on the right side, in the bottom, in the bottom left side, in the bottom right side, right? In current position, right? Current position mean from where you on which you are writing. So from here you can remove, right? You can insert as well from here, and you can insert by clicking on this one, right? So simply I will go in the right side. So now you can see that from here you can see that there are 5 pages. There are 5 pages in my document, and this is that shows there are 5 pages in my document, and this will show that I am on the first page. So from here you can see I will put here page number. You can select it. You can change the format from here, right? As you can change the text style as well from here. You can give the color as well, different colors, right? And I will double click on it. So this is page number 1, here page number 2, here page number 3, right? I can put any shape as well here, like you can see, and right click, bring to, send to, back, or double click on it. So you can put here pages, you can any picture, anything you want to insert here, you can. For example, I can put this picture as well there. Double click on it, copy, double click here and paste. You can see it will be on all pages, and so this is the way by which you can insert the page number. You can design your page number, the attractive look. So it will be depend on your requirement, it will be depend on your desire, it will be depend on your, like if you are working on a formal document, then you will be obviously will be a formal, will use the simple colors and the simple format. So this is the way by which you can format, you can insert, you can play with your page number. So thank you. This is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in the next one. Thank you.